Hey guys, welcome to my today's talk. And I'm going to talk about the power of gratitude, which is very important, and everyone recommends to do this practice in our day-to-day life because gratitude practice multiplies happiness. It also removes the negativity from our life, and it develops the strong self, strong core. और हमारी आदत बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, हमारी आदत इसके अपोजिट है। जो नहीं हो रहा है, जिसमें हम स्टक हैं, जिसमें हम स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, हम कॉन्स्टेंटली उस बारे में सोचते हैं। सो वी लिव अ लाइफ इन लैक। और हमें अपने ब्रेन को प्रोग्राम करना है टू स्टार्ट एक्नॉलेजिंग द ब्लेसिंग्स. We need to identify all the small and all the big things that we have and make it a practice, a habit to pen down all the blessings of the day before you hit the bed. You can make a dedicated diary for it and you can keep it around the bed so that you can have the easy access and you can pen down before you go to bed. It controls all the negative emotions, and I realize it's a kind of sickness because our brain that keeps hitting the same thought again and again, and therefore we lose all our energy, a positive energy into negative energy. It's similar to a situation when tongue which keeps touching the teeth where some fiber is stuck. A famous writer, Melody Betty, वो कहती हैं ग्रैटिट्यूड हर कमी को समृद्धि में बदल देता है, पुराने दुख को विजडम में, सपने को विजन में बदल देता है। सो अगर मैं अपनी बात करूं तो कल शाम मैंने एक पीएचडी मेंबर से बात की और उसने मुझे अपनी लाइफ के चैलेंजेस डिटेल करने शुरू किए. एक्चुअली शी इज़ थैलेसेमिक पेशेंट, और जो थैलेसेमिक होता है उसको मंथली ब्लड ट्रांसफ़र के लिए जाना पड़ता है. She has to change her blood, and because it's a time of COVID-19, so she is struggling much in order to arrange the blood, in order to arrange the donor, क्योंकि जो donors हैं they are not comfortable going to hospital and donating the blood. And उसको इसके अलावा कुछ और भी health issues हैं, जैसे last month only she got operated because one stone was stuck in somewhere in the ribs, and she has that pain also. Beside all this, parents that she has, they are senior citizen with no sibling. She is into job in IT sector, so she is having that workload as well. After talking to her, I forgot everything whatever was bothering me, and I was thinking how lucky I am, how blessed I am. My body is functioning well. I am in my best of health. आई एम एबल टू ब्रीथ, क्योंकि लोग हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं ऑक्सीजन के लिए एंड देन दे पे लैक्स. सो आई शुड बी ग्रेटफुल दैट वी आर एबल टू ब्रीथ, वी आर इन बेस्ट ऑफ आवर हेल्थ. सो हमारा जो ब्रेन है वो किस तरह से इन सारी चीज़ों को भूल के सिर्फ उन चीज़ों पे वर्क करता है, ये नहीं हो रहा, ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा और ये कब होगा. All I want to say is we have to reprogram, we have to work on our brain that we are into practice of gratitude, always remembering what all we have. That is what is more important in today's time. So here I would like to request, please share in your circle and with your friends so that this wisdom really gets wider and viral. Do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button too. Happy watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.